In this video, we'll show you how to use Inquisitive's powerful planning tools to generate a custom scope and sequence, add it to your planner, and download your program. Let's get started. First, from the menu on the left, click on Scope and Sequence, and then Get Started. Now, select your curriculum, the subjects you teach, and up to 2 year levels. Then click Create. Instantly, your units are laid out for the year. You can choose whether to view curriculum outcomes and can edit units by dragging and dropping to suit your needs. You can also download it into a Word doc. Once you're happy with your plan, click Save to My Planner and select which class to save it to. Your planner is now set up. This is your central hub to access lessons, add notes and annotations, track lesson completion, and collaborate with co-teachers. It's the perfect tool for keeping a clear record of your teaching. Finally, to download a program, select the unit and click Download Program. You can choose to download as a Word or PDF file. Your program includes key inquiry questions, curriculum outcomes, the full teaching and learning sequence, annotations, and direct links to resources. It's perfect for your records and accreditation. And that's it. Happy planning!